Doing a video on my '04 Ford Explorer. Driving it leaving work the other day, crunk it up, got across the parking lot, and it cut off on me. And as soon as it cut off, my trip meter went to that. My mileage says 000 or dash. Got to crank it up, won't do nothing. Got the wrench light on, my ABS light on. So put the computer up to it, the scanner, to see what it says. After several seconds of it trying to connect, saying no link. So done the research on it. Kind of find out, they say it's either your fuse or a computer. So started pulling fuses. And this fuse right here is blown. A 15 amp fuse. Put new fuse in, car cranks right up, everything goes back to normal. So if you ever have the issue of your car cutting off and it's not wanting to do anything, and then the gauges, your dash light's got the wrench, the ABS light, and your mileage says dash, check your fuses first. If it's not a fuse, then it's your computer. Appreciate the time. Y'all have a great day coming from H&S Custom Works.